Hello mga kabisdak! Yes, yes, yes! Di anapod ko excited ko kay nga naman gusto kong magpasalamat sa tanan nga mitabang. But before anything else, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those new, hi, Bisdak Ko is here. And guys, nalipay lang yung kahayo ko kay nga naman. Yes, 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 yes. I just want to express my gratitude. Akong dakong pasalamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa ako ang Bisdak Ko YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it's very important kay nga naman, yes, matud pa, in every journey, it starts with the first step. And you know guys, I got my first 100 subscribers. Yes, 100 million. No, it's 100 subscribers. Yes. Kaya gusto kong magpasalamat. And you know what, guys, I prepared a brute to open this for my 100 subscribers. Kaya nga naman, before man ni sila managhan, may man nang mapasalamatan, naghinay-hinay. And I know, dili na ko mausa-usa ang tanan, pero kay balo na mo kung si kinsa mo, and I will show here especially those mga vloggers pod nga nakatabang nako, ha, akong ipakita din akong i-shout out din dili lang nako usa-usahon og shout out tanan, but you know guys, thank you so much. And yes, I have here, I prepared for you. Yes, and of course, I would like to thank my wife as my first subscriber. Also my family. Yes. Then hinay-hinay ako ang mga friends. Thank you so much for subscribing to this. Okay? So this, I would like to open this for you guys. Okay? And mo po din nakanindot aning pagbuhat og channel kay daghan kayo pod og daghan tag makatunan, daghan tag ma-meet nga mga bag-o nga mga virtual friends, kay nga naman wa pa man ta magkahimamat. Okay, aside from those atuan nag yung mga old friends or distant families. And with this 100 subscribers, akong first 100, na ay mga new virtual friends. And of course, I thank God for giving me this opportunity to meet them virtually. Virtual tananan, no? Are you ready? Are you ready? Be with me. I prepared two glasses, usa para nako. And the other one, this one here, money para inyo, ha. Okay? I'll put that one there. Again. Sa mga bag-o pa, well, pareho tatanan ako, bag-o ra pug kuan I've started this, I think that was December if I'm not mistaken, mo na akong pagsugod og record and start learning. Sayon raman po di ay bisan pa og magkaedad-edara na ta, makaton ra gyapon ta ani nga bago nga means to communicate. And YouTube channel is very interesting. Okay, interesting kaayo and exciting. Okay, so sa mga gustong mag vlogger, well, tara na. But first, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. And actually, my YouTube channel is all about my life aspirations, some of my travels, and ako alang insertan og mga informations, mga facts, data para mas makahatag pod og information to be a bit informative, especially kanang mga historical sites diri as Italy and some European countries. Siguro I will try my best to do more features, okay? And mga ilang pugong pasensya kung most of my videos are in Cebuano because I'm a proud Bisdak, proud Bisaya. Yes, okay. And of course, later on, mo prepare ko og mga videos in Tagalog, okay, or mixed Tagalog English. And for this few videos, ang ako sang giuna ang ako ang Cebuano language or dialect for my Visayan and Mindanao friends, okay? And yes, Bisdak Ko is here. Okay, so ato ana ning ablihan, ha? Join with me. Ready? Wait. Ready? Yes! Pasensya na, wala ko'y pang champagne na flute, but I have my wine glass. Thank you so much. Cheers. $100 subscribers. Of course, you are going to create, you are going to think, especially kay kita ra man po usa mag-edit, kita ra po usa mag-video, then you are going to think of an idea kung saan nimo ang imong video, imong pag-present in a way nga dili makatulog ang ang mutanaw, ang mulantaw, no? So, it's exciting and makaton pud og daghan nga mga butang, and of course those people na nakatabang pod kanang ato ang mga new friends, sila pod ang mihatag og mga tips, okay? So for you, thank you so much. I-shout out ra ni nako dinhi nga video, dili lang nako mabasa tanan, okay? So with this first this is just the beginning, the first 100. The next milestone will be 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 1 million. Yes! So again, glad to read your comments below. Okay? And sa kining ako ang mga pipila, I only have some few videos here. You have the segment Bisdak Ko, Laroy. That's the segment where I'll feature my travels. Okay? Just short video. Okay? And then some probably vlogging on the historical sites. Okay? The life update, the Bisdak Ko life update, that's where I'll have videos on my life aspirations. Okay? In fact, na ko iban nga mga video ana. Okay? And the other one, so right now I have two topics na medyo ako ang gikuan. It's the Laroy. That's Laroy. That's in Cebuano. It means it's more on gala, okay, in Tagalog, or lakwatsa, okay. And but I will inject some facts on that Laroy segment para medyo informative aside from enjoying, okay. And the third, I'll inject also in my life update regarding family's daily life, something like that, okay. And yes, anyway, madaghan pa ta og makuan, and again, thank you for your support, and I hope nga magpadayon ang inyong pagsuporta nako, okay. So, to my subscribers and to my upcoming many more subscribers, cheers! I'll cheers this one for you. For those new one, please hit subscribe. Click the bell button para ma-notify mo. Okay? Thank you so much again. Thank you so much mga kabisdak. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome mga kababayan. Welcome mga kabisdak. Bisdak ni. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like it, hit like and share. Bisdak naglaroy-laroy. Bisdak! What? Bisdak ka? Bisdak ko.